I'm going to time it. I've got a closed box, got the tools ready, engine bay, got my timer, and we're going to see how long this takes me to actually swap out camshaft position actuator for cylinder 5, position B. And start timer. What am I doing? Doing something wrong. Stopwatch. Let's do the right friggin' thing. Go. And done. Less than a minute, 50 seconds to swap out this guy. This is the 4th or 5th one that has failed on this vehicle. I went ahead and bought 2 this time, so I have a spare because it's going to happen again. It happened to me, it'll happen to you. If you can spare 2 minutes of time, you can fix this.